What's up, guys? We just got here to this lake.
So this is a random lake we found on FishBrain. Hunter just got back from Chelan.
Yeah.
I just got back from doing some other stuff. So we're back to fishing and hopefully we catch some bass. It's been, a rough couple of days. And we've just been fishing for panfish, but now we're back to the big old boys. So hopefully we catch some hogs today. So
yeah, it's pretty early in the morning, so hopefully the bite is on. I'm not sure how late we'll be out here for.
Yeah, so it's
about probably like a couple hours.
It's about like 7 a.m. right now.
Yeah.
So we'll probably fish till about like 1-ish. So
we'll see.
Yeah.
We just blew the boat up, as you guys saw. That's what's going on right now.
So today we'll probably be fishing with like worms, so probably like Senkos and maybe...
Yeah, I'm trying to get a Senko catch. It's been so long. I haven't even got a Senko catch, which is crazy to me. But that's all I'm gonna be using today. Hopefully that we'll catch them and
bite our baits.
Who you the goat, boy?
Yep.
Nuh-uh.
Yep. Here's like a little. He's a good one. Oh. Okay, easy. I'm gonna bring it right to you.
Yep.
Let's grab his mouth. Oh, let's go, baby.
First one.
Did you see that cat?
On the Senko. First one on the Senko. Here, I should probably record you right now.
Oh my gosh, man. So we just caught this guy. It was such a weird cast. It was like my 4th cast of the day. It was a weird cast. I threw it behind my body, behind Calvin, kind of towards where the lilies were, and I hooked him.
Caught him on this blue Senko right
Finally, that's kind of weird to say, but this is my first fish on a Senko. But I'm excited. Yeah, let's go. Pound. He's one.
Here, let me get a picture.
Oh, shit, that's not good.
A pound, yeah.
Hold on. Can you tell?
1.06, yeah.
Yeah. There he goes. That was nice.
There he goes.
Oh yeah? Good one. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. He's pulling drag. Oh, what the heck?
What?
Dude. Oh! He was like in a bunch of... You're good? He's good. Oh my god. He's a 2-pounder? You're good. I got it. Record. You're good.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Choked it.
It's deep down there.
Wow.
It's not good.
This is one of the worst things about bass fishing is when you hook it way too deep. When they just eat the bait, but they got it out.
Look at this hog.
maybe like our 15th cast. He's caught one on his 4th and his 15th cast. Amazing day out right now. Let's weigh him up. Let's get a weight on that. 3.24. There we go.
All right, hurry, get. Oh, you see that? Yeah. Oh, right where I casted, something jumped. That one. This is a decent one. Wasn't a good hook set, but hopefully it stays on.
Just saying. Oh. Good one. There he is.
Get him in the boat.
So this is Hunter's 3rd fish on his blue Senko.
It's funny because I casted right over here, right by this wall. Dude, there might be more over here actually. I casted right by the wall and something jumped like as soon as it happened, or as soon as it hit the water, reeled in just a little bit.
Easy. Easy.
Can you even get the fish in it?
Yeah, 1.50.
Yeah. Try to get it light.
There he goes.
Look at him swim. Oh, that's like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at him. That's so funny. Oh, got one. He's in the lilies, bro. We're gonna have to go over there. Oh, he might have just got himself out. No, he didn't. Oh, yeah, he did. I'm gonna try and bring him over or lift him up. Yeah, we gotta go over there. Oh, no, we got him. I got him. Either he's a good one. Here's a good one. Come here, little guy. Took my bait.
Did they swallow it? Is that a pound?
Yeah, he's a pound. Right before the GoPro died too.
Really?
That's four on one battery. Dude, cast right under that tree.
I don't know why.
Actually, I don't know if he's a pound, to be honest. This is pound.
Pound. Oh, 1.44.
Got this guy. GoPro literally just died, as you guys saw, but let's go.
There he goes.
Calvin's on. Calvin's on. That's a perfect spot, Calvin. Right by that dock. He's a good one. Just lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. Because of lilies. And just real hard. He's a good one. You can bring him to me if you want. Oh yeah, that's your PB. That's your PB.
Let's go.
That's your PB.
On the board, baby. That's got to be 2.
Oh, you changed it up?
Yeah, I changed it up. I had to.
Oh, because you lost it. I forgot. Let's go.
Come on, buddy.
Let's go!
Let's go.
Calvin!
Get your...
I'm trying to. What does it feel like?
Dude, this feels amazing. All right, caught this 1.4 1.5 2-pounder. It's right over.
Calvin's on. First time today.
This time.
Let's see what it is.
There he is. Let's go. It's one. So, went with the blue Senko for a little bit, but then
The blue Senko is what Ivy caught.
Yeah.
That's what I caught all 4 of mine on so far. And Calvin hasn't been catching anything, so I gave him a couple, but he got snagged over there, and then he changed
made
to.
a switch to the Slim Shake worm, Guggen baits. So
That's a long worm
yeah,
too.
it's a long
so
worm, long worm, big fish.
They've
so
got to eat the whole thing just to get hooked. So, I mean, hey, it's 1.5 pounds.
Hope you can see that thing swimming in there. Oh my god.
Go toward. We can't really.
Yeah. Oh no, we can't. We
It's
can't.
going
My,
deep.
my shit is still in the line. Oh my god, that is a big freaking fish. I don't know if you guys can see that.
I want to catch it.
Look at that. That thing is
I've never seen a
massive.
carp that color.
Oh my god, guys, that fish has got to be like 15 pounds.
Oh. Shoot. Oh, he's going up. He's coming up. Oh. He's a good one.
Fuck you, I cast it.
It was like half. I reeled in pretty. Oh my god, he's a fighter. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Oh my god. Right to your hand. Get him, get him, get him. Let's go.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one. That's my bass limit.
1.38. 1.42.
1.42.
Let's go. All right, that is it for the video. Hope you guys like it. We caught so many fish. We got 6 fish. I got my 5 pound, or I got my 5 fish bag.
Hunter
Calvin-
ended with 8.74 pounds, which is, that's pretty freaking good for Washington.
This is the
State.
best day of fishing that me and Calvin have had together.
Ever. And I like, even though I caught one, I missed a couple too.
Yeah,
so.
he missed a couple, but I mean, I missed one, I believe. But the bite just turned off like out of nowhere after that last fish I caught. But that's really it for the video. I hope you guys like it. And what do you have to do?
They need to subscribe, like, and comment.